I'm gonna tell you the straight up truth. Having a Resell Circle store or system at your disposal is the same as having a Netflix. Let's just leave it right there. I don't even want to talk about the competitors standing and beacons and all of them because they can't even stand next to this, to be honest. That's the truth. Do your own research. We all love ChatGPT. Go check it out. Listen, I start doing the math. It's $27 a month subscription. I get 40% of that. It's $10 and some change. We're going to keep it at a 10. Okay, at a dime. 10. 10 times 100. Or what about 10 times 1,000? Now I'm online and I'm looking at all of these people on social media who are influencing people to go to stands and beacons and they're not getting nothing back from it. All it takes is just one to realize that Resell Circle will pay you back multiple ways. There's 6 different ways to get paid. And I'm like, listen, if I can get me one content creator to recognize what we got going on over here, it's over. It's over because they are sending people on a regular basis. How about if they send somebody somewhere where the person that they're sending gonna get paid, they get paid for sending them, and me get paid for sending it all? Listen, Resell Circle is where it's at. This is the mission that we on, and I can't stop. There's no other way but up. Now, you want to get a part of this? Check the link in the bio. Subscribe to this page. I'm definitely going to continue the content. I'm going to keep it moving step by step by step as I continue to progress because I want you to win. Listen, there's free ebooks like crazy, free link tree. All these different things, you got to pay for ebooks. You got to pay for a link tree. These things come free. Your link tree come loaded. You come into the business with equity. How about this? You can come in as a bronze member for nothing. Just a hope and a dream and get paid the same day if you know how to work it. Follow me. Follow this system. Subscribe. All the stuff. You know what to do. If you're on YouTube, you know how to do this. I'm new here. I'm not claiming to know nothing, but I guarantee you it won't be long before I'm gone.